Hi, good afternoon. Today's topic is Canva, how to use Canva for graphics design. So, to start using Canva, all you need to do is to create an account at www.canva.com. You can sign in or sign up with your Gmail account or other email accounts, get your username and your password. So, as you can see, I've already logged on with my own username, Ajala Abiodun, which is linked to my company name, Shares Cloud. So to create a design, you have a whole lot of options there. When you see this place, this is Canva. These are some of items like menu. You can hide your menu here. So these are a whole lot of things that you can do with Canva. You can do virtual suit, docs, presentation, whiteboard, PDF editor, graph and charts, video editor, YouTube editor, photo editor, business card, invitation, t-shirts, labels. Other marketing tools are logos, posters, brochures, social media, websites. So Canva comes with a whole lot of options for marketers, because I will call it marketer because it's a tools for marketers. People like visual, people want to see image of what you are portraying. You can even create your own CV on Canva. Can do so many things, posters, flyer, and many more. So let's say you want to create something now, you want to create a poster for CRM or school software. You can just type school software. They will give you something that is related to that. You can say school software. Look at the option, school board thing. By the time you click on enter, a whole lot of things will come. So for the beginner aspect of it, if you want to create a design, you can click on this place, create a design. You'll be asked, what do you want to create? Is it for Instagram reel? Is it for Facebook cover? Is it for Instagram post? So let me click on Instagram post. It will take me to a new page. Most Canva design usually take you to a new page. They don't make use of your existing page so that you won't lose your work. And meanwhile, for every work you are designing, they are automatically saved on Canva. The reason why this page is a bit slow, I must tell you, is because Canva consumes a whole lot of data. Sometimes it takes time to load. For best results, I would suggest you have a router or MiFi as an internet source instead of your mobile data. So this is a blank page. You can click on this place to expand it. So what do you want to create? If you don't know what to create, they have given you some options there. Things I've recently used. If you scroll up here, there are some other results. I can look at this image and say, okay, I like it. Click on it. It will come to a blank design, as you can see. So what do you want to create now? If you bring your mouse there now, you can double click. When you double click it, you can use the backspace and edit it. All these things are templates. So I can just say, oh, school software. School software. I'll tap outside the box. It is saved. So yeah, I can just say school software for private schools. School software for private schools. You can type more. Anything you want to type, I'll tab out. After tabbing out, do you like this image? If you don't like it, you can upload your own image, whether the image is on your desktop or is on Canva. Let me say I want to bring an image from my desktop. I will come to upload by the left hand side. After clicking on upload, you see upload files. Upload files. Upload files. Click on desktop. When you click on desktop, you scroll down. Look, scroll down, look for something that you would like to upload. I'm trying to look for a recent pics. Trying to look for a recent pics. Let me go back to my desktop. Let me go back to my desktop. If I have any image on my desktop, I'm trying to look for one. Okay, there are no image. You can see one. Let me go back to the Canva. So upload files. It's taking me to my desktop now. So you come here. I've seen one. The title is screenshots. So I click on it. You can upload anything. The good thing about Canva is practice make perfect. You have to build on it at least 2 times in a week. If you leave it for like 2 weeks and you come back for the third week, you'll be able to get it right. So this is the image I just uploaded. I click on it, it will come here. So you now use your mouse to drag it. Drag it because we want to use it to replace what is there before. So use your mouse to expand it until it fits in. Until it fits in. Till it fits in. You can see it has covered it. It has covered it. Yes. Do you like this icon? If you don't like it, you click on it. There are two things you can do with it. There are a lot of things you can do with it. You can duplicate it or you can delete it. So I'm deleting it now. So I've deleted it. So it's as simple as this. We have created a design. School software. Do you want to put the company's logo or something? Anything you want to do, videos and all that. Let's say you are done with this design now. What do we do next? We come to where they wrote share. Share. By clicking on it, you click on download. When you click on download, they will ask you if you want PNG or you want it as PDF or you want it in a video format. So if you click on PNG, which is useful to share on our WhatsApp status, on our Facebook, on our LinkedIn, so you click on download. Immediately you click on download, it will download on your desktop. So from there you can pick it up and start sharing. I think this is clear. Remember, every of your work is automatically saved. If you come to file, as you can see, all changes are saved. Without pressing Ctrl S, all your work are automatically saved. And for instance, let's say you don't like this image, you can click on it and still delete it. You can see the icon delete. Or let's say you made a mistake and you still want to go back. This arrow is used to undo. You can use to undo any work. You can let me click on it now. Undo. You see that there will be some changes on the design. This thing just came out. If I click on undo again, you can see there are some changes here, there are some spaces here. But if I don't want to undo, I can click on this to redo. You get. So everything is much easier. You can create a whole lot of design. And let's say you want to like what else again? Still want to search for an icon, element. Let me say Facebook icon. You come to element. Anything you want, just type it there. Okay, I need a Facebook icon, Facebook logo. You click on Facebook logo, it will come to your design. To make it smaller, bring your mouse and drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it. You can see that's that. And let's say you want to change the font of your design. This is school software. The font I'm using is the seasons and the font size is 63.9. I can still decrease it from here. Decrease it. Using Canva is like driving. Do I don't know how to drive? The last time I drove was more than 10 years ago, so it's like driving. Just put your mind to it. I'm very good at using computer than driving. Yeah, right. So let's say now you want to remove this season. Now you can click on it. There are a whole lot of fonts here. I can pick this font to change automatically. You can see it has changed. So many things. And let's say you still don't like this picture or you don't like this image, you can still come to this element. Type type lady smiling. They will give you so many options. Lady smiling, you can see as a photo, see all. You see this lady is smiling. I'll click on this lady that is smiling. So you can see now, I'll drag it to fit in to this my design. You can see, very simple. Yeah, school software. And you can still, I can still like, okay, make it a complete background. I'll right click. After right clicking, I'll say replace background. And if I like the color of this photo that I just put, I can say apply photo to page. You can see apply photo to page. It will make everything look to blend, to be blend. And if I want to use this picture as a background, I can say replace background. Replace background. That means I have to remove this because it's still blocking it. Remove this one too as well, our previous design. So I've replaced this pics as a background. Delete every icon, as you can see. School software. So let me make this thing a very cute design. School software. School software. Automate your school administration system. So to make it look good, I right click. I click on this text color, make it black. Tab out. Can tab out. And to upload more, to upload the logo of Shares Cloud, I have to look for the logo here. Look for the logo Shares Cloud, can see. So I can bring this software down, take this one up. As you can see, I can reduce the size. You can see school software, automate your school system. The automate your school, your administration system. Automate your school administration. System is still not clear, so I'll still tab it. Look for a color that will fit in, that will make it sharp and bright. So I'll come here, click on red to make it bold. Click on this bold to also make it bold. Tab out. So it's looking more like a design. You can still click and reduce it to this size. So Canva is very simple. It's very simple. You know, when you want to do your brand marketing, instead of just sending text, people like visual, people like pictures, they like images. Images sell very well too. Even every content writer will tell you the power of image. So I think this is clear for now. If you have any question to ask, the whole lot of things, you can use this place to get various design. You can use this element to get logos, photos, icon. You can use this text to create new box. If you click on it now, you see it now. I can click on this place, create a new box. It will go there. I can type anything there. You can upload from here. You can draw anything here. Other project that you have done, you can see it here. So remember, every work you are doing on Canva is automatically saved. You'll find them on your home page. If you have any question and answer, kindly let me know. I also need a feedback if I'm too fast or if I'm not impacting enough. There's always room for improvements. I'm not used to video training. I have to do this for my team members. Practice make perfect. Do have a great day. Thank you.